Welcome back to the Barra factory. Today we're at Super Cheap Auto, Super Happy Power Laps, and we're in the Bedford van. 1100 horsepower, about to hit the track. Millsi spent the top dollars on a pit pass.
That is so funny, man.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Cheers, guys. Really good response from the car. Everyone's just loving it. Everyone's thumbs up, high fives, and it's bloody fast. Millsi reports. So it's actually got 7 seats in this thing too. So it's a party bus later on. Get it, Millsi. Dude, that thing is skids!
A bit of extra weight in the back helps with that drive.
I think he's saying that you're fat, Woody.
Why are you saying I'm fat, Millsi?
No sir.
Sexy ass shifter you got there, Millsi.
Yeah, it's second, third, it's all so good. Thanks Pete, thanks Hughes.
Dude, this is so quick.
Not bad, eh?
How's the brakes, Millsi?
Yeah, not too bad, you just can't, I couldn't do it every straight. I like it.
Oh, my neck.
That hybrid, what is it?
I just choked myself on
The
the
BRZ?
roll cage.
Boot BRZ.
I want to run both, can we film that?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Filming right now, bros.
Where's my horn? Oh, you ready for a run?
Millsi's wife in the Mark IV Supra. Oh my god, is that a Supra?
Is that a Supra?
You owe me dinner! You're making dinner tonight!
Millsi, that is pretty sick. The missus has got a sweet Supra.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I love it.
She likes FDs better, but yeah.
Dude, is that a Supra?
How's the third row going back there? Anyone there?
Nobody. Go, Millsi, go, 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 go.
Once again, as soon as we go past 2,
Oh, it's gonna be a good race too. Damn, Millsi!
You just cycling.
Yeah, okay, key on, off and on again.
where's the
You
hatch
don't have
button?
to stop. You can go to neutral.
Hey?
Key back on. Wait, try go Macca's Corona. Millsi! You got the jump, young sir.
I've also got no brakes.
The oldest trick in the book. Alright, we've recruited some passengers. What up, boys? I've got Bo in the car.
Hi.
And what was your name, sorry?
Michelle.
Rochelle.
Michelle.
Michelle. With an M.
Yeah.
With a French accent.
Millsi's so generous, he's just, hey everyone jump in.
Yeah.
It's the real taxi. So we're about to go back out for the cruise session. Waiting for a tilt tray to come through. There's the lineup. First out on track. Have you boys been in a fast car before? Never? Stay tuned.
want me to give you the hit? Alright.
Did he say no?
Hey!
Millsi, what a man. You're so generous, mate. Look at this.
Hang on, where's my...
Going for Paso runs.
Here you go, just get in, just get in.
Alright, it's been a very, very, very long day. It's super hot. We've been parked up in the garage most of the time. These legends light in a trans cooler fan on the back, so try and keep the trans temps down. We've got the young fella in the car, and this is our last cruise session for the day.
Given the Gromedy's first experience at a 1100 horsepower car here.
Tough life, Robbie.
I don't know if he knows what to expect, but we'll find out shortly.
I want you to line up some big hitters, Millsi, instead of these like VNs and stuff.
Oh bro, no one's lining me up.
They all scared of you.
What's this red thing? That
They
fast?
should have this as just a drift car, that thing.
Some of them drift cars are freaking fast.
Yeah, true.
Look at this.
Got a bit of grip, yeah, they do, eh? Unsuspectingly.
The mystery machine.
Millsi, you're a nutto like racing third deep.
Yeah, man, all good.
Not in between.
This is a fine racing machine, Woody.
Look at that steering wheel.
Epic handling.
You got a beta music, just like play with them a bit, Millsi.
I just turned the boost down. I turned it to 1.
Turns into 3.
She's like turned it to 0. I haven't got that setting.
Yeah, it goes to 12 after 1. You don't want this.
Let's just see what happens on 3. See if we're still doing things. Yeah, first run.
Millsi, you're a madman. Absolute madman.
Stay with me, AU Falcon calipers. Game up.
Be prepared to be deafened.
That was sick, Millsi.
That was a good run.
That was an awesome run.
Real good.
Alright, now turn it to 12.
Can you do it with your shirt on?
Same thing again.
I didn't do it.
Yeah.
Alright, well that's going to wrap it up for Super Cheap Auto Happy Laps at Queensland Raceway. We've had an awesome time out here. Millsi, you're an absolute legend. Thanks for the day.
No, thank you guys.
We're actually filmed 2 episodes while we're out here, so stay tuned for next week. Or hey, do you want to do like a double upload? Maybe tomorrow upload too. Cool. You reckon? Shout out, sorry, no shout outs to the dickheads that do that on track because you ruin it for everyone else. We have had a blast out here. It's an awesome event. We've had fun. Lots of cool cars, lots of cool people. Thanks to everyone who came and said hi to us too. It's really cool meeting everyone. So yeah, that's it for us.
I was pushing in front of this drifter.
1100 horsepower slash 800 horsepower Bedford because you had the boost turned down all day.
I did. I reckon we got a bit more there those last few runs.
And it goes really well. Thanks for watching. We'll see you homies next time. Cheers.
See you lads.